And today's story is A Bird's Nest. A bird with its babies lived in a nest in a millet field. When the crop was ripe, the farmer with his sons came and said, "Tomorrow I will call some of my neighbors to cut my crop." The babies were very afraid when they heard this. But the mother said, "Don't worry, our nest is safe." Next day, when his neighbors didn't come, the farmer said, "Tomorrow I will call some of my relatives to cut the crop." In the evening, when the mother bird came, the children told her what the farmer said. But she again said, "We are still safe." Next morning, when the father found none of his relatives there in the field, he said to his sons, "Tomorrow I will do the cutting myself." "We must move to a..." Now the mother bird said, "We must move to a better place." Thus, before the farmer could destroy their nest, the bird moved away from there with their babies. And the moral of the story is, do not depend on others for your work.
तो आज की स्टोरी कैसी लगी? अच्छी थी तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना। फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, तो इस वीडियो को ज़रूर ही लाइक कर देना अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो। बाय बाय।